Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily overview for the bullish and bearish scenarios here, we have of course a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for a wave 1 or a wave A. After this both case scenarios, we have a very long correction for 5 to 6 years here for XRP in a W, X and a Y. A wave Y is a very sideways triangle finishing a wave Y here, and with it we have finished a wave 2 and a wave B, and we have of course a direct movement toward the upside, breaking of course this correction here area so far, of course, and we're still looking for higher, probably of course after 1, 2, 3, and we're looking probably a wave 4 and then one more wave 5 to take the high at least here at the 1-to-1 fib level $3.65 at least. So far, we did not, of course, took the all-time high, and of course, I'm afraid that this will transform to 3 waves up, and then continuation toward the downside, which is not nice to see, of course, because this will extend our correction in a W, X, and your wave Y will be something like another wave. Yeah, that is not really nice. It's gonna be like an A, B, and a C. Yeah, so this is your bearish scenario, of course, with an extended A, B, and a C for your wave Y. That is not really nice. Of course, 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finishing and expanding flat for your wave Y after a zigzag for your wave W, zigzag for your wave X. And this is your correction, or this is your bearish market. Yeah, so it's not really nice to see it. Of course, we still want to see one more leg toward the upside for XRP, preferably of course to continue this impulse for higher. And of course, if we take closer look here, we see of course higher prices here, of course, as an impulse like 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. But if we dive inside it, we can see that this wave, which is supposed to be a wave 5, is not impulsive as well. It looks like 3 ways toward the upside, meaning 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 5 ways down, of course, for a wave C. Let's dive deeper even inside this for our chart to see what's going on inside this wave C, which is it is supposed to be a wave C unless we have finished in WXY here. So you are looking probably at A, B, and a C, or WXY. Yeah, so W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y is kind of like this zigzag, but very rare case scenario, because even this impulse 1, 2, 3, it's looking not finished yet, and we were looking here at kind of like somehow like a diagonal shape. If you remember with the latest analysis, we said, okay, is that a diagonal? But we have to be careful because it can be very simply, of course, A, B, and a C, of course, and then continuation towards the downside. We said once we break the 0.618, this is, of course, invalidation of a contracting diagonal. And this is exactly what happened. Here we go. We took the low, and then we move impulsively toward the downside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to continue our bearish scenario, where we are still looking for a wave 5, yeah, because this is our wave 4, this is our wave 5 to be finished here, to finish with it a wave 3 in the magenta here, and of course to finish a wave 5 and 3, 4, and 5. So we have several for 5, because as you know, as I mentioned also before, this has transformed to double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, and to finish of course in the blue box here, perfectly between the 0.38, 0.5 fib level, of course, as expected for a wave 4. Yeah, so we can say right now we are much more convinced in the bearish scenario, of course, after breaking this kind of like formation of a leading diagonal. It was of course kind of a trap, but I warned you. Because of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have finished your wave 4. You still have one more leg, and we were here, and we were very close to finish this leg toward the upside until, of course, invalidation. So yeah, very tricky. So basically, this scenario doesn't exist. The invalidation of bearish was not taken. We can remove all of this. Now we are looking for the next target, which is a wave 5. Our target, to be much more precise, of course, for a wave 5 here. So we can expect, of course, to take at least the low with few dollars. I mean, I think Here we are already in a new 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So this wave 5, even, yeah, it might be shallow or even deeper, one of them. It cannot be just 50-50. It has to take the low, so we need, of course, to see a deeper wave 5. Yeah, so at least here. So our next target, I would say, is the following. Let's see if this will take already the low. Yes, it should take the low with few dollars as expected, as you can see, guys. It's very, the one-to-one fib level is exactly on that low. So preferably that we take the one-to-one and even lower with few dollars. Yeah, so that is much more preferable. Yeah, this is the insight here. We're looking at 1.8, very psychological number, 1.8 at one-to-one, and here we go. Yeah, so we might of course break it a little bit and then move towards the upside a little bit for a wave 4 here as a rejection or correction, and then 5 and then 4 and a 5. 3. Wow, we still have a lot. And finishing the wave 4 finally at the 0.38 probably. By the way, anyways, don't forget that the 0.38 is a very nice fib level, yeah, for a wave 4. Yeah, so it's A, B, and a C. Yeah, very. Now we see, of course, a huge impulse, but don't forget that this is an A, B, and a C expanding flat is still looking very normal. A, B, and a C. Yeah, so to hit this blue box exactly there, so that is very normal and looks very nice shape. Yeah, I would say based on Elliott wave analysis. Now, yeah, that was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.